Right now, my life feels like a real life quest, and not exactly the easiest version. I'm just wanted to paint, but instead of it, I'm dealing with international shipping a cat and moving to the other side of the world. Hi, my name is Valeria. I'm an artist, and for past 2 years, I've been living in Serbia. And right now, I'm in the middle of a pretty big transition. I am moving to Vietnam, yes again, and everything is kind of happening at once. As usual, I guess. I'm originally from Russia and I'm living in emigration already for more than 4 years, yeah. So it became a really important period of my life and in my work, and it changed me just a lot. Now I'm moving again with my husband and with my cat. And if you have ever traveled with a pet, I mean, for long distances from maybe US to Asia or something like that. So, this is a whole process. Like documents, carries, stress, it honestly feels like maintaining, I don't know, a project. And at the same time, I am shipping 19 of my paintings to the US. I mean, trying to, because logistics is not really easy. So I can send my paintings directly from Serbia because Serbian Post doesn't ship to US now. It is as it is, and now I'm sending them to Germany first to my relatives. And honestly, shipping art internationally is complicated. Customs, possible taxes, regulations, there are so many things that can go wrong. And right now I'm dealing with a million small things. The closer the moving dates gets, the more there is to handle. And I'm trying to think through every possible risk and prepare as many documents as I can. And believe me, when you ship art from Serbia, you need a bunch of documents, I would say. And I'm really grateful that I met people here in Serbia, I mean in Belgrade, who are helping me to deal with that. I truly, truly appreciate that. I think being an artist today also means constantly navigating these real life challenges. And it's not about only making work, just painting. It's about moving it, protecting my paintings, and somehow keeping my practice stable through all of these changes in my life that come at least once a year. And for now, we change the apartment once a year, and we change the country once in 2 years. It becomes tradition, or I don't know. And from the outside, especially on Instagram, it might look that I'm just painting and enjoying life. And it is like that, of course, but it's a small, just little part of my life. In reality, I'm constantly relocating, living out of suitcases, building my career while dealing with the logistics, customs, shipping, just trying to survive in the new place when you don't know anyone, you don't know where to buy art stuff or many, many other things. And it's not like me complaining. I actually really, really love this life, and I wouldn't like to change anything to do it in other way. It just has a side that people don't always see. And sometimes I look at artists who have more stability in where they live and work. There is something beautiful about that too. But for me, this constant movement is a part of the journey, I guess. It affects me a lot as an artist, as a person. So this is pretty cool experience. So we are flying in about 2 weeks, and honestly we are just hoping that nothing will happen in the world while we are in the air. And I do feel a bit sad to leave Serbia, and it's been really good here. The people here are super amazing. I love them. I love Belgrade. It has kind of, I don't know, special vibe that I have never met before. But it feels like it's time to move forward, to see more of this wonderful world, to find new inspiration for my work. And here I've really been missing the ocean. I've really been missing like open water, the sea, whatever. Like I'm in lack of inspiration here. So we are going to Asia to explore, to live, and to see what comes next. Right now we are flying without any return ticket and without a clear plan to settle anywhere for a long term. And yes, it's a little bit scary, but I feel like I'm ready to live with that uncertainty for a while. I don't know for how many years, but I think at least for 2 years, and then we will think. But for now, we are just trying to find the best solution for living. And by the way, about my paintings, I haven't finished. I will update you later on how paintings came to the US. And I'm definitely a bit, or maybe not a bit, stressed about that too. But that's a part of my life. Maybe in future, when I will come to Vietnam, I will show you how I set up my workplace again, as I did here in Serbia. I used to feel a bit insecure about not having a proper studio, as many successful artists, But now I understand that with that kind of lifestyle that we have last years, it's just not always possible, So I work with whatever space I have at the moment. It's April now, and in the past 2 months I have created more than 20 paintings, and now I will probably take a short break until August. Because I'm really tired, to be honest. I need some recharge. I love painting process, I love all of that, but when it's too much in your life, it's really complicated. So I need to breathe out, to enjoy life, and to gain some more energy to paint again. By the way, I ship all of my artworks to New York to the gallery that is called Art Seeker, and they are also available on Artsy, so they can travel much easier than I do. I'm happy for my paintings. They can travel among US easier than me. Okay, I should probably go and pack my stuff now. To pack my paintings that you see behind me, because it's 6 of them and I have to send them in a couple of days, so time to go. This video is a bit chaotic, but I guess that's exactly what my life looks right now, and I'm not really a professional YouTuber, so sorry. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all kinds of your support in any form. It really, really means a lot. And you can follow me, watch my other videos. Yeah, I have just maybe a few of them, but anyway, you can find me on Instagram, and to check out what will happen in my life in future in Vietnam, I will post many, many beautiful views, I guess. Hope so. Sending you love and hugs. Bye bye.